Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit host files on Windows 10. So let's get started. So guys, to edit host file you have to simply type in search bar folder options, and here you can see this option file explorer options. So click on it. Now here you have to simply click on view. And now in view you can see the option of show hidden files, folders and drive. So simply check these options and simply click on apply and click on OK. So after that simply open File Explorer. Now click on this PC. Now in this PC you have to simply click on your Windows drive. So in Windows drive you can see the option of Windows. So click on Windows. Now scroll down and find the option System 32. So here it is. So simply double click on the System 32. Now find the option here drivers. So here it is drivers. So click on drivers. Now in this option you can see this file etc. So simply double click on it, and here you can see the host file. So simply copy this. Now paste here and simply double click on it to open the file. Now here it is asking us how do you want to open this file. So I am selecting here notepad and click on OK. So guys, here you can see our host file. So from here you can edit host file. For example, I am going to type here something. So guys, here you can see I have typed here 20 startup. So to save, simply click on file and click on save. So after save, simply drag and drop the file here. Now click on replace the file destination. Click on continue. So here you can see here it is written 20 startups. So means that we have added the host file. So guys, you can see we have added the host file. So you can also edit the host file by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.